Welcome to Advanced Excel Part 1 Dynamic Excel Graphs. Today we are going to cover. See this trend made neatly. Your students marks of first, second, third exam, quarterly, half-yearly, annual exam marks. In this trend we have student 1, student 2. If I select on student 1, the data is changing. If I select on student 2, the data is changing. If I select on student 4, this is what a dynamic graph looks like. If as per my selection the graph is getting changed. How it is getting changed? This is what today in Advanced Excel Dynamic Graphics part I am going to cover. Now let me see. I made a data for you for easy understanding. There is a sales team of 9 persons: Siva, Mani, Sarathi, Sakayam, Xavier, Ramanan, Arun, Rahim, Sinu. The data is from April 20 to March 22. 24 months tails target. Now I want to put a data. It is a random data and only for the purpose of example. That's why I taken the data of future. I want a trend for Siva, sales trend. If I select Mani, the trend has to change. If I select Sarathi, the trend has to change. That's what I am going to do. To do so, I am creating a new sheet for you. So from new sheet, Dyna Graphs, let me name it. My data, this is going to be my x-axis labels. So I will put it here. Let me number it 1, 2, track it down up to minimum, maximum. Okay, running water. Now I started one from the name itself because I want the Siva name also should change for the data. So now this data Siva I am copying there to create the data. Select month and data value. I am going to insert a trend bar chart. You can say a bar chart or column chart. Simple. Now you have to understand that the entire data is clear. Let's it, valid, add data tables, bit, we go for an 3D super column, looks great. Now how we are going to change this data Siva to Mani when I select the other name? That's a twist. Slowly I am step by step I am going to turn this trend into a dynamic trend. Now it is a normal trend which is showing the data of this. Now as this trend I cannot change, I am going to change these values based on my requirement or selection. Let's do it. I put 1 here, okay, and going to put a formula from formulas. If you don't know how to put formulas, select the cell and click on insert formula. Normally it will be most recently used option. Select the category as lookup and reference. You can use multiple lookups. My favorite is index. I always use index as a simple one because we know the row and column. My array is always going to be my sales data from Mr. Siva to Sino. Entire data I selected. This is not going to vary. I make dollar. Putting dollar is by selecting that data and pressing a F4 will put dollar for you. Now the row number is, my row number is based on this, and column number is always going to be 1. So this is also not going to change regularly. Let us make it with $. Now I click on Siva came, the entire data, again change my average into normal with 2 decimal value. Now if I change this number into 2, my graph is changing. If I change it to 3, my graph is changing. If I change 4, Sahaim data will come. If I change 5, Xavier will come. Okay, now it is clear. As you can easily understand that you can go up to 9, 5. Now how to change this? Because going on you cannot enter the number. Without the dynamic graph should be only click on clicks. Now I am going to go to the next step of my dynamic graph. My trend, how it is going to change based on my clicking. Now let me put something to select, sort my graph bit. That will create some place for me. Now make it clear. I am going to put one option button. Latest Excel option buttons are not displayed here. So to get this, you have to go to, click on this, go to more commands. This customize window will come. In customize, go to choose commands from commands not in the ribbon. If you select commands not in the ribbon, the list of commands not in the ribbon will come. You see lot more checkbox. We want option. Go to O series, LMNO. We have option button, ActiveX control, form control. We want form control. Select this and add here. It is added here. Click on add. The same button will be added. So that's how this button has been added in this. Now I want to change this name to Siva. You know Siva? Yeah. First name is Siva. Next is going to be Mr. Money. We want 9 sets. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's change the name. Edit text. Money. Edit text. Saradi. Edit text. Sayam. Never the name. Xavier. Raman. Arun. Rahim. So over now I click on any one of the option button and select format control. In format control, if you click, once again do it for you. This is the very important step on that. Format control for you, select, then the format control will come. click on cell link, click on cell link and link the cell in which we are changing the number. Now if you click OK, the moment you click on that, it is going to change it to 1. Now if I click money, it is going, see, this is changing. If I change this is changing, so values will become change. Now my trend, oh my god, super, excellent. Now make it full screen. As you know, it is already covered. How to lock? So you lock it. Very simple. It is simply super. Now this is covered effective. Data also great. So now I am selecting once again. Aaron, Rahi, Zeno. So I think you understand. You can make lot more graphs. Even you can make graphs based on your performance parameter also. If you are a production manager, you can make a machine wise what is the production achieved, machine wise performance, machine wise efficiency, everything you can make the same manner, systematic manner, and present that to your management in a effective manner. This is why I done it, and I think it will be a useful learning session for you. Thank you for watching. Thank you.